Okay, this video I want to talk just a little bit about what's known as constructive solid geometry, or CSG as it's often abbreviated. And we use a group of solids, or what's known as primitives. So I've got a cylinder here, and I've got a box, a rectangle that's been extruded, and we kind of use these as examples of how things are put together and how things are done. And I just wanted to show these to you to kind of get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one into it to demonstrate a few things. So I'm going to go in to edit the sketch on that one. And I just want to put a constraint on it. I'm going to go to the center point there. So as you can see, I've moved the sketch for the rectangle inside it. Okay, now what we've got here is a join. We've joined the two pieces together, and you can see this was my original, the cylinder, and I moved the box in. And it took a little semicircle out of the box, but they're joined together into one solid. Now, if I wanted to cut, I could cut the rectangle out of the cylinder. Okay, so I've used one solid to affect the other. Another way that I can deal with these things are the intersection. The intersect, and it only takes what is common to both of the shapes. Okay, so it just took a little pie shape there. So you want to think about these things when you when you're building models and creating these parts as to how one piece affects another piece, and we can build upon it. And usually, but not always, but usually if we have a hole going through a feature, it's best to wait until we're finished building before we start applying holes, as you'll see later on in some of the exercises.